Hi, I'm Alec Whiteside from Grangemouth. I'd just like to say it's been, start to finish, it's been a fantastic job floor design have done. Couldn't have imagined anything better, and the attention they've gave me from start to finish has been absolutely excellent, and I'd recommend the company to anyone.